Hi everyone, thank you so much for stopping in today. I just got this in the mail. I think I'm all done filming, and then I get 2 more boxes. I'm like, oh, I just want to get everything caught up and done. This is Trendmood Box. I guess because I got, I don't think I ever opened this, 1 box, and then now I get the emails, you know, the next box is available and get it right away. I can never get these open. These are usually pretty tight. So I'm excited for this box. This is a nice one. It's like $50 some by the time you are done. Always comes packaged nicely. And they come quick. When you order it and get it, I was shocked that it was here already. I think I just ordered it, if I'm not mistaken. And I think this is $29, if I'm not mistaken. I know I've gotten $27, $28, and I do believe this is $29. So now, do another little sneak peek here as to what's inside. Definitely worth the price, in my opinion. I don't think you can go wrong with it. Now, how phenomenal is this? From Briogeo, Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. That's a huge tub. I love their products. Love, love, love. And here's the mask. Smells nice. Since getting my hair cut, and this did have seals on it, I just like turned it. I find that my hair isn't as dry because I'm not flat ironing. Like a quick curl, and it pretty much will stay. My hair is naturally curly, and I always straightened it, and I put so much heat in my hair keeping it straight. Now I'm like, I can still wear it straight if I want a little bit of like turn in towards my face, and or curl, you know, just quick curl, and it's just, I can use less heat because of the layers. So I am enjoying the style a lot more, and I really appreciate everyone, you know, that has made comments about my hair. I get very bored with my hair. I'll have it longer, shorter, straight, curl, you know. It's hair. It does grow back if you cut it. Layers grow out. I've done, you know, I've been through the whole gamut with hair. So here I have a nice little clip, hair clip in here. These will come in handy. I can still grab it up. So, where do I start next? Let's do this. From Pacifica Dream Moon Perfume. Oh, okay. Now I have to be careful smelling stuff like this today because I will sneeze. It doesn't take much to get me to sneeze. That's all I've been doing. I'm just sick and cannot get rid of it. Today I have a little bit of a fever. Oh, that smells good. Oh, that's going to set it off. I don't want to spray it, but oh, that smells really good. And that's beautiful to display. I can put that out with my perfumes. Happy for that, but I love full size. Next from RMS Beauty, we have a lip oil right here, and this one is in Cardina. Let's see, especially now I'm finding in the colder months my lips are very dry. Here's the packaging. So let's see if this is, whoops. So it's probably just like a light pink. Yeah, just a super light pink lip oil. I can't smell if there's any smell. I don't think there's a scent, but that's pretty. Just a light wash of pink is always nice. From Lawless Beauty, we have Forget the Filler Overnight Lip Plumping Mask and Birthday Cake. I have one of these. I don't think it's birthday cake, though, that Lawless did send to me. Let's see. Now I can smell that right here. So, you know, nice lip mask. Lawless is, you know, not talked about enough. They have some phenomenal lip liners, lipstick, just all over products, but that's nice to have. Oh, okay. So from Natasha Denona, Berry Pop Lipstick. Wow. Great brands in this one. Here's the package. Nice wearable shade right there. So let's just... And that's you know, pinky red, like great for the holidays. And that's some pretty awesome packaging there. Definitely worth the money, in my opinion. Like I said, who is this? Natasha Denona. Oh, we have the lip liner. Is that what that is? The lip crown? Berry Pop lip crown. So we have the matching lip crown. That's nice. Sometimes I just use the lip crown as an all over. I have plenty of them. Here's the packaging. And I'll put this right next to it. It's nice and creamy, so you can see the thinner one is the lip crown. Sometimes I will use lip crowns to, like I said, as lipstick. And then if it's matte and it feels drying, I just put a gloss on top. But happy to have that. And I'm glad they're in the same shade. Sometimes you could use the same shade to line. And what do we have here? From Essence, Lash Without Limits. So there's two of them. So it's one brown and one is one black and one brown. Oh no, I don't know. Are they colored? See, this says brown on it. What does this one say? Black? Yeah, see, you can see the black label, and then this one has a brown label. I'm not going to open these because I might share these, but a nice black and brown mascara. Brown is, I might keep, you never know. What do we have here? More Than Just Pretty tangle-free hair. Let's see what this is. If I can. Let's go this like stick everywhere. Slowly. Wrapped up. What are we? Are we like a comb? Oh. Oh, nice. Came in a beautiful case. Huh. I guess you can, oh, okay. That's, how bougie is that? It came all nice and wrapped up and, okay. I'm not angry at that either. I don't mind little hair products. So we have a whole bunch of cards for the perfume, the lip oil, the Essence mascara. This is a detangling comb, so we have a card for that. And then the Coastal Shell Claw for your hair. We still have one more product in here. Came wrapped up like here. And this is from, oh, nice, from Natasha Denona again. Berry Pop Cheek Trio. So you have the liner, the lipstick, and then the cheek trio. Right there, that's worth it. Then the Briogeo and the perfume, the Lawless. Wow. Wow, look at this. Has a mirror. Look how beautiful. Look how beautiful. There's that. Let's do the, ooh, they feel so nice too. Just going to do these two for right now. Should have done it the other way. So that's creamy. So this one is like a cream and then a powder. Ooh, they feel nice. And cream you could probably put on as a lipstick. And let's see this. So there's that. There's the highlight. If you're going to be able to see the highlight, it's on that side of my hand. Wow, pretty. And that's not obnoxious either. Wow, I just don't want that getting all over the place. Ooh, I love that. I love the whole Natasha Denona set. All three the same. Mascaras and just everything. There's nothing in here that I'm not okay with. This right here will come into use and that will last you a nice long time. So that is the Trendmood 29 box. Box 29. Like I said, 50, I'm trying to think how much it was, 55, 57, somewhere around there. And like I said, within days, this was here at my house. I just ordered it. I saw it and was like, okay, let's get it. I mean, you do get you can get a little peek. And if there's too much that you're just not going to be happy with, don't order it. You could share it. You could gift it. I gave it a quick peek. Saw some of the Natasha Denonas and was like, well, it'll be worth it right there. Because if you were to buy those individually, it's going to add up. So, and I think beautiful combinations, like between the cheek and the lip right there. I just think everything is very cohesive. Very nice. Feels wonderful too. It really does. So I'm very happy with this one. Let me know your thoughts. Do you get Trendmood? If not, try to get on the email list that you're notified that it's available. Got to watch social media for it. Sign up, get their text that the box is going to be coming up. If you are interested, I definitely think it's a win-win. If you have somebody that you could share this with, split the cost maybe, and then share products with, or just, share products with in general. I don't think you can go wrong with that. I hope everyone has a wonderful day, and I'll catch you all in my next video. Bye for now.